My name's Aaron. My wife and I are both Mesa firefighters. I've been a patient, my family's been a patient with Dr. Ghorab for at least 10 years, I would say. We've been going there. My kids have never had a different dentist. So my daughter's 14, probably started her there when, I don't know how early you take a kid, but she was the first dentist in every kid, and my wife and I, so we all have been there for at least that long. I like the fact that Colleen, who's her receptionist, is, first of all, because she's the first person you meet, is super friendly. She is very accommodating with our schedule, with our insurance. She allows us a lot of flexibility to get all the kids in when we can with our 24-hour schedule. Sometimes it can be a little difficult, but she's awesome, and she's great at following up with us after the fact, and she makes it very easy for us to come see the dentist. Dr. Ghorab is, to me, I don't even think of her as a dentist necessarily, except for the fact that her hands are in my mouth frequently, but she's very easy to talk to. She's very down to earth. She explains things very clearly as far as what she's doing, why she's doing it, why she thinks we should be doing this or that, with the kids especially. Some of the treatments one of my sons had, a little extensive, and I don't know dentistry, but she explained it very, very simply to me, and why she needed to do this, and maybe some things we could wait for. You know, money's always kind of an issue with certain things, and so it's nice to have somebody who's going to just be straightforward with you and I don't feel like she pushes us to do things that we don't need to do right away. Obviously, she wants us to be 100% right in everything we're doing with our dentist and our dentistry, but she understands. So that's what I like. It seems like she takes, you know, I come in, she knows my name, which is great. Because obviously she's got lots of patients, but she knows all of us by name, and it's refreshing to see that. I feel like that she's had the same staff there for a long time, and there's probably a reason for that. They probably love working for her, and it's a nice place to be, and it kind of comes across with their attitude when they're dealing with people. My mother-in-law since has now gone there, and she's someone who hadn't seen a dentist in probably 15, 20 years at least. We talked her into it. She was very reluctant. She doesn't trust doctors, dentists, whoever it is, a whole lot. But after one or two visits, she was sold. She was sold on the office. My kids never complain about going to the dentist, regardless of what they're having done. Both boys have had teeth pulled, you know, had cavities. I'm not bragging about that, but they never have a problem. There's no fear or no trepidation when they go to the dentist, which is great. So it makes it easier for us to schedule stuff.